Hey there, guys. So, as you may know by now, Mr. Junior Dev is actually just my professional profile. I also have a personal profile, a personal TikTok profile by the username Fabrizio32. I don't know if any of you have seen it yet. If you're interested in that TikTok profile, you can head over to Fabrizio32. I've got videos related to comedy, entertainment, and I also got some videos of me speaking local languages from back home in South Africa. And I recently started Chinese because I really like learning from other people. But there's several reasons why I started my personal TikTok profile. Firstly, I just like creating and uploading content and thinking that I'm funny and entertaining. I'm not sure. You guys can be the judge on that. But the main reasons are because I wanted to separate the two, because sometimes the professional profile may seem intimidating to others in some sense, because it's a bit too technical in some sense. The thing is, why I'm saying that is because I've learned from past experiences. So back home in South Africa, coming from a very labor intensive environment, I remember, because of the precarious environment that I was within, I used to undermine my intelligence constantly on a daily basis. And when I used to go onto YouTube and watch other fellows, software engineers online, and I used to feel so intimidated because they were so professional, as to say. I thought they were just perfect, but the fact of the matter is they're not. They're just like me, they're human. So that's why I started my personal profile. That is actually one of the main reasons, because I don't want you, I want to put your mind at ease. I want you to see who I am, who I really am, where I come from, what kind of person I am. And I want you to put your mind at ease and understand, look, we're the same, we're both the same, we're all just human.